See over at JCPenney Ridgedale Center. Oh god, it already sounds like it's on oil. So they slap on knotted Dover. Oh, it's on oil. This thing's lovely. Here's your COP, 5,000 pound capacity. Lagerquist installed this. Innovation Universal Fixtures older. And 5,000 pound capacity. This cab's nice, but I don't like it at the same time. It's kind of old. 88 foam, by the way. Do you work? Even moving? This is kind of smooth. Oh, that's dead. Leveling. Still leveling. Go 2, let's try to hear the motor. Oh, that works. Number 2. This thing's lovely. Oh god, one more. I'll do it on 1. Yeah, this is definitely. Sucks it's got slap on motor. This would have been cool as a black button. Credit card stuff. Let's watch the button go out. It is smooth going down, I'll give it that. Clicking incandescent universal isn't the most common thing in the world either. Sorry for the shakes, got the jitters today. Here we're at 1. Leveling. Still leveling. There we go. Go into here. There it goes, and that's it.